Welcome back to Crack the Windows, the home of professional Windows tutorials and deep system tweaks. If your Windows 11 feels slow, laggy, or takes ages to boot, stay tuned, because in this video, I'll show you 8 powerful, engineering-level settings that truly boost performance without compromising security or stability. Every tweak is tested, safe, and works even on the latest builds of Windows 11. And yes, I've added all the commands and registry paths in the video description, so you can simply copy and paste them. Let's jump right in and crack the Windows. The number one cause of lag over time is clutter and cached files that silently eat your SSD's speed. Go to Settings, System, Storage Sense and click Configure Cleanup Schedules. Turn it on and under Run Storage Sense, choose every week. Then enable Delete Temporary Files. Remove files in Recycle Bin after 7 days. And clean up download content not used for 60 days. You'll keep your SSD lean and prevent background indexing slowdowns, improving disk I/O and app launch times. Go to Graphics, Default Graphics Settings, then enable optimizations for Windows games. You'll notice smoother animations, faster Alt+Tab switching, and lower latency in games, especially on mid-range GPUs. Windows reserves 20% of CPU time for background services. If heavy Win 11 user, that's wasted power. Type regedit and hit enter. Navigate to this path, H key local machine, System, Current control set, Control, Priority control. Right-click, New D word, 32-bit value. Name it System Responsiveness. Double-click and set value data equals 0. All CPU scheduling now favors your active apps, increasing render, compile, and gaming speed. Restart your PC. Windows parks CPU cores to save energy, which can cause sudden lags. We'll unlock all cores. Run cmd as administrator. Run this command. As already mentioned, you can find all commands used in this description. Now run this command. Now open Control Panel, Power Options, Change Plan Settings, Advanced Settings, Processor Power Management. You'll see minimum and maximum processor core states. Set both to 100%. All CPU cores stay awake for instant response under load. Animations look nice but waste memory. Let's smartly balance visuals and performance. Search for Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. Choose Custom. Then tick only Smooth edges of screen fonts, Show thumbnails instead of icons, and Show window contents while dragging. It reduces RAM and GPU usage without making the UI look dated. Desktop actions feel instant. Power throttling slows background tasks to save battery, but it can choke CPU bursts. Type gpedit.msc. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Power Management, Power throttling. Double-click Turn off power throttling set to enabled. Windows stops capping CPU bursts, keeping performance stable during heavy workloads. Dynamic tick saves power but causes timer drift. To disable it, run cmd as administrator and type this command. It's also mentioned in description. Now restart the system. Better frame pacing and lower latency, ideal for gaming or audio, video editing. Now we'll tune background services safely. Open services. Set the following. Sys main manual. Hit like if your system feels smoother now, and subscribe because my next video will cover hidden network settings that cut your ping by 30%. Connected user experiences and telemetry disabled. Less background CPU load while maintaining essential search and usability features. And that's how you truly make Windows 11 faster, not with gimmicks, but with real engineering tweaks. Thank you for watching.